shoot.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lawrence County in southeastern Ohio, southern Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, southern Jackson County in southeastern Ohio, northern Putnam County in western West Virginia, Mason County in western West Virginia, southwestern Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, northeastern Cabell County in central West Virginia, north central Kanawha County in central West Virginia, until 7 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kenna to 7 miles southeast of Point Pleasant to near Rio Grande to near South Webster, moving south at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Point Pleasant, Gallup Police, Winfield, Rio Grande, Sissonville, Eleanor, Buffalo, Gallia, Vernon, Waterloo, Bancroft, Crown City, Henderson, Leon, Gallipolis Ferry, Gage, Southside, Liberty, Fraser's Bottom, and Gibbon. This includes Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 112 and 124. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. Now for the official